I did not want to take a third chance of my cantaloupe not germinating, so I went on and bought me some transplants and put over here. One plant that was $4.95, I got 5 cantaloupes with roots on them that I went on and put in this area. So let's see what's gonna happen with these cantaloupes growing over here. Got my watermelon that I planted from seed. They germinated good. Okay, come on, watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think that's 1, so that's 5. I don't know what this is growing here, but I'll see when it comes up. Come on, watermelon. Grow us some nice watermelons this season. And cantaloupes, come on and grow. I have onions trying to come up on top of the soil. Not as big as I would like, but I'm gonna let you stay there a little bit longer, see if you're gonna get any bigger. But you done poke your head up from out of the soil. Let's see the rest of you guys over here. A lot of nice green onion tops on you that I can chop up and freeze. Okay, come on, onions. Y'all gotta come a lot bigger for me. But you look nice. Have 2 baskets full of marigolds that I'm gonna plant up. Put them in a nice pot. Have them hanging over here with my tomato plants. Give them some pest protection. Okay, tomatoes. I see you blooming there. Come on. Grow some big tomatoes this season.